Hi guys, welcome back to Carina's Corner. I'm back with a project share, and this time it's a Christmas flip book that I'm sending off to a really good friend of mine, Joanne. You can follow her at nikita.halls on Instagram. This was completely inspired by the stickers I got from Tuesday morning. If you remember these typewriter stickers, I wanted to do something kind of vintage inspired, and so I cut out a typewriter for the front using a journal card. We have like a paper sticking out there saying hello. We'll have a little postage there, and then I'll show you this in just a little bit. These are like shaker stickers with a fawn over here. It says let it snow, and then we have our typewriter keys here and it says Joanne. I like the way that came out. And then we have another shaker sticker here that I'll show you in a little bit. We have some Christmas tea. This is Gingerbread Man. And then this is from the authentic paper that says the holidays are no time to exercise restraint. So it's kind of standing up like a typewriter. So let's have a look inside. For this flip book, inside I made a couple panels, and Joanne loves envelope flip books, so I decided to make her one here. So first up, maybe we should look at the top layer here. The first envelope says Merry Christmas. When you flip it open, we have a little goodie pocket there, and it has this little match stick kind of notepad. It says make today amazing. It says jolly. Then we have a little notepad here. It also has the Christmas theme. This was from the Target dollar spot. And then we are going to go down. So we have another flip here, and it's another envelope. And you see a little cute snowman, and it says read. So I'm going to write my little letter there. And over here we have a bunch of goodies. She's a big fan too of the typo pen, so got her one of the Easy Writers. And over here we have a little pocket that says Merry Tags. And we got our mail tag. I'm gonna write my mail tag there. We got a bunch of tags and ephemeras in here. And just a bunch of other goodies. In here I put these adorable sticky notes. It says noted with the snowman. We got some squirrel. We have a little fawn here for page flags. And I also got her some of these really nice looking page flags with the holly on it. And we got some doily stickers here. Put a bunch. You got the red and the blue. So now we're looking up close at our flip book. Here we have our little sheet cheeking out from our typewriter. We have a house little stamp here at the top. I love this little card here. It says the holidays are no time to exercise restraint. And then we have a little tea bag here, and it says Gingerbread Man. This is by the English Tea Shop. And then we have our shaker little stickers here with the house, and it says joy. And this one's one of my favorites here. We have a little fawn, and it says let it snow. Look how adorable that cute little thing is, and it's in a little snow globe. Also gave her a pack of these Living in Color Forever in Time Woodland Creature sheet from Daiso. Look how cute these are. She could definitely color it in. It has little specks of gold, a little bit of gold foil in there. And then I also put some special washi in here for her. If you remember, this was from my haul from the Target dollar spot. So it's a Velcro closure. And when you open it, we got a couple washis here. So holiday washi. This one's in blue, like that, because we see a lot of red and green. So I thought I'd give her something in blue. It says Happy Holidays, Christmas Joy. And then another washi tape here matching our box. So you got a couple of those. And finally, also including this super cute card from Typo. It's a Christmas card. Love the gold foil. I'll write my little note in there. So that's my project share today. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy holidays to one and all. Thanks again for watching Carina's Corner. See you next time.